Exercise 5.1 Problem 12 Discussion. In what ratio is a line joining the points -5, 1, 2, 3 is divided by the y-axis? Also find out the point of intersection. So these are the points and y-axis is actually dividing. Y-axis is dividing means if P is the point which divides, the x-coordinate of P is 0. Okay, and then we are asked to find the point of intersection and the ratio and the point of intersection we need to calculate. Let's list it out. So y-axis divides line joining points -5, 1 and 2, 3. Okay, we are asked to find the ratio and the point of intersection. I've missed that, please write that. Okay, the by section formula we can get the dividing point P. Okay, but as you can see, I've written the x coordinate as green. I made it green because this point is lying on the y-axis, so which means x is equal to 0. As we did in the previous case, let L and M be the ratio. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Find the coordinates of the point using the formula, but equate the x coordinate of that to 0, because this is 0, right? Equate it to 0 and get the value of L by M. Once you have L by M, we have the ratio, right? Once we have the ratio, the L and M, substitute those values here in the y coordinate and get the point of intersection. Okay, so this is how this problem is to be worked out. Now let's put the steps out. Let P 0y, it is lying on the y-axis, so x coordinate is 0. This is the most important point. Divide the line segment joining the points -5, 1 and B 2:3 in the ratio of L is to M. Substitute A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and L is to M for this formula and equate the x coordinate to 0. Okay, get both the values, but equate this to 0 because the point is lying on the y-axis, and once you do that, you will be able to calculate the values of L and M. Right? After this, now one part of the problem is done. We have already found the ratio. Right, now we have to find the point of intersection. Okay, we have okay, so somewhere I missed a step here. There's one more step. So once you have L and M, and the L and M value, substitute that here. Okay, because you are asked to find the point of intersection. That is, you are asked to find the point P. We only know x is 0. We need to find y. So how will you find y? Substitute in this step 3. We have already found the value of L and M. Substitute the value of L and M here and x1, y1. y1, y2, and you'll be able to get the value of y. Once you get the value of y, the point is 0 and whatever value of y you calculate. I missed the step 4 here, which I'll add it a little later. Okay, please write step 4. Okay, substitute the values of L and M and calculate the y coordinate using Ly2 plus My1 by L plus M, and the coordinates of P becomes 0 and the calculated y coordinate. Okay, right. So please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, so let the point be 0y. Since the point is on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay, divide -5, 1 and 2, 3 internally in the ratio of L is to M. Okay, normally they don't tell internally. If they don't tell anything, it is considered internal. Okay, if it is external, they'll specifically tell that it is external. Okay, that's the normal understanding. Okay, so the section formula is given. You know, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Substitute that and take the ratio as L is to M and calculate the coordinates of P. How will you calculate L x2, that is 2L, and M plus M x1, that is 5 into minus 5, that is minus 5m divided by L plus m. Then this will be 3y2, that is L into y2, that is 3L, plus m into y1, that is m into 1, that is m divided by L plus m. We know this is equal to 0. So equate this to 0. 2L minus 5m by L plus m equal to 0. Okay, so this on simplification, this L plus m will, when it goes up, it becomes 0. So 2L minus 5m will be 0, or 2L will be equal to 5m, or L by m will be equal to 5 by 2. So the ratio is 5:2. Okay, L equal to 5 and m equal to 2. Right? Now, we substitute those values here for the y coordinate. So it will become 3 into 5 plus 2 divided by 5 plus 2. That will be the coordinate of y. The y coordinate of point P. Okay, so substitute L equal to 5 and m equal to 2. We get coordinate P as 3 into 5 plus 2 divided by 5 plus 2. So this becomes, the coordinate of P becomes 0, and this is 5 3s are 15, 17 by 7. So this is the coordinate of P, which is the, what is P? P is the point which divides the AB. So P divides the AB in the ratio of 5:2, and the coordinates of the point P is 0 and 17 by 7. I hope, because we have been working on this P, right, to get the value or the coordinates of the P using the section formula. Halfway through we stopped it and equated the x coordinate to 0 and got the value of L and M. Once you have L and M, you come back to the same section formula and substitute the values of L and M and get the y coordinate. Once you get y coordinate, you put the coordinates of both the coordinates of P. That's all we are doing it here. Okay, so I hope you got the problem right. If not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable correction. If you have not understood the concept clearly, please go back to the discussion part of the video and review it. Thanks for watching this video.